Morning student, today we are going to do one activity in which we will prove sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. To prove this, first of all I am taking one triangle. In this triangle I have drawn exterior angles of the triangle. You need to keep this thing in mind that if the sides are extended, then the exterior angles are made. But we will have to extend the sides in one direction only. That means either we will extend the sides in clockwise direction or we will extend the sides in anti-clockwise direction. That means the direction of the extension should be same. So now what we will do, as we need to prove that sum of all the three angles of polygon of any polygon is 360 degree, first of all we will prove it for triangle. So we will cut its exterior angles. That's why I have used a bold marker to cut it neatly. Now I have cut all the three angles. I've taken another sheet to cut all the three angles from the triangle. These are the angles A1, A2 and A3, and this is my triangle with the extended sides. I'm keeping it aside. Now let us arrange these three angles A1, A2 and A3. When you will arrange these angles, what you will find that all the three angles are completing a circle around a point. You'll get confused. Why do I say it a circle? Actually, this is a whole angle, and in the circle, the angle is also 360 degree. You can understand it by taking as a whole angle around one point, that is also 360 degrees. So it is completing a circle. So it is making 360 degree. Sum of the three angles come to be 360 degree. Now we will prove it for a quadrilateral. We have taken one quadrilateral again with the extended sides. I have given the name of the exterior angles as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Again we will extend it to one direction only. That means if I am extended to this side, I'll extend to this side only. If I'll extend to the other side, then it will be extended like this. Now you will cut the exterior angles. Once again, I have already cut the exterior angles to save time. Now you can see I have cut the exterior angles. This is A1, this is A2, A3 and A4. Let us try to arrange these four angles in such a way that it completes a circle. Don't bother about the extended portion, just try to make a circle. You can see that this is what this is, making a circle. This is a whole angle which is made around one point, and your four angles. Yes, now this is the whole angle. If it is a whole angle, that means the sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degree.